October 24th, 2018, and I'm going to show you with a file that fits right in the groove. You find a green spot on your saw. There'll be a green spot they have colored, and you go clear around and you pull like 7 times. And I have a Sthil chainsaw. It's a 180 MS, and all you do is find your groove and pull away from you on it 7 times. And you keep going, and then you pull the opposite direction with the handle away from you, like the handle's away 7 times. 3. Another groove, the handle away from you 7 times. Pretty easy to do. After every time I run a gas load, I sharpen this and your chain will move freely. I have it on a couple of stumps. I'm sitting on a stump out here. I managed to cut all this wood here. And each time I run a gas load, I will sharpen the chain. And easy to do. And these grooves are, this groove is going this way. You pull it this way from you. 2, 3, 4, 7 times. This groove's pulling away from you this way 7 times. 2. See, I fit that file in that groove. Doesn't take long. And so forth. You just keep going until you get to that green dot on your chain. Pretty easy to do. I'm sitting back here on a log, and I've got the saw on a log. This is Thomas Thompson in Indiana, United States, signing off. Showing how to sharpen your saw. I got this file at the Shipshewana flea market for $1. You can find them, files that are a good deal. Sthil chainsaw, running good. Everybody have a happy chainsaw season. From Thomas Thompson, signing off.